Hello, this is Barry from Wave. How's it going? Today, a new video on Bitcoin. As always, we're going to utilize the Elliott theory to analyze Bitcoin and see what's happening and what could be happening. So, today we're going to have a quick look at Bitcoin. We're going to see mainly two potential and ideal scenarios that I've been tracking down for the past weeks. There's many more available, as you can see. So today we're just going to go over, let's say two, but there's other two that could be extended and could be possible. And I've shown them in another Bitcoin update. The link is in the description of this video, and it should also be popping up on the screen as I'm talking. So if you want to see the other alternates for long term, then just check the video out. So here today, what we have is, in this scenario, I'm tracking down the possibility of a top with the 69,000 top itself. And after that, 3 ways down into wave A, 3 ways up into wave B. Let me zoom in for you. And let's just hide the averages for a second. So 3 ways up into wave B with a triangle in wave B of B. And then 5 ways down in 1. 3 ways up in 2, 5 ways down in 3, this is a clear 5 wave down, 5 wave move, there we go, 1 less degree, and as always I like it red, so I'll just put that in here, great, and then what I'm seeing is potentially something like this, 3 ways up into wave 4, with wave C of minute 4 being an ending diagonal, just like that. So let me just put all these in their folder. There we go. So that's a possibility. Now, this count is valid as we have not crossed wave count invalidation, which is obviously would be wave 4 and 1 overlapping each other. That was not the case. So this is valid. And what I like about this count is how we've had a sharp move to the downside after this diagonal. And now it looks like we're trying to move higher. I think this move higher is just going to be a pullback, a corrective move, and we may see further downside. But obviously, I could be wrong. But after such a strong move, this is a daily chart, I would expect a pullback and further downside. That's what I liked about the count. What I don't like, and that's something I previously stated, what I don't like is how this wave 4 is much larger than this wave 2. As a matter of fact, this wave 4 is basically as large as this move. So that's not ideal. It's something that should be monitored, but it's really something that we should pay attention to. So that's the only thing against this count that I have. So the other count, which avoids this kind of problem issue, is the possibility of having a WXY into wave 2. So obviously this would be wave 1 and 2, which is not showing. I'll have to fix that. And then again, 3 ways up down into wave W, 3 ways up into wave X, same as an ABC. So let me just place that in here. 3 ways down this time into wave Y. And from there, the only way I can see this is bullish is having a 1-2 and then again a 1-2. In this case, this diagonal would be a leading diagonal instead of an ending diagonal in wave C. So a leading diagonal in wave 1, and this should be wave 2 of some degree. Could be wave A of 2. So we could get something like this. That's possible. So something like this. Obviously, we do not have to cross this line because that would be invalidation level. And at that point, we would most certainly fall in this scenario that I previously showed you guys. So that's my view on Bitcoin. As I said, there is other long-term view, but for the short term, those are the only two scenarios that I really give credit to. Now, if we bring back the averages, we can see how we have had a cross, which many times is a sign of reversal, and this time indeed was a sign that the market was ready to move lower. And here on the daily, we're below all averages, which obviously does not give us any bullish sign for the long term. That was about it for me on Bitcoin. As always, please subscribe if you enjoy the content, if you want to see more. And obviously, if you did enjoy it, also smash the like button, as it will really help the channel to grow. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.